Hi everybody, I'm back. And today we're making smoothies at the Young's house. It's Sunday evening. We were all trying to figure out what could we have for a nice dessert. We all agreed that we wanted something nice and refreshing, something sort of like fruit, something that was going to be healthy, but yet make us satisfied for that dessert feeling. So I figured, let's have smoothies. So we're going to make smoothies today, and I'm so excited because I just want something nice and refreshing, something cool that's going to cleanse the palate. And I came up with Jamba. I went to Kroger's and I found these at-home smoothies. And all you have to do is add your juice. Now today I'm going to use sugar-free apple juice. And this has mango, strawberry, and peaches with a non-fat yogurt. And it's an antioxidant boost with 100% daily value of vitamin C. And that's right up my alley. That's what we were looking for. So if you look in this bag here, you can see the mangoes, the strawberries, and the beautiful peaches, and they're frozen. And when your fruit is frozen, that's the best way to make a nice thick smoothie. You always want to have your fruit nice and frozen. Now you can add fruit, which definitely, hey, you can add, I'm going to add an orange today, okay? So I have these Mandarin oranges. You can add blueberries to this. You can add a banana. You can put a piece of avocado in here. And the a lot of you might say avocado? Yes, avocado. You could put that in there and it won't alter the flavor, but what it will do is give you more nutrients, more healthy nutrients. So this here, it'll make 2 8-ounce smoothies. Okay, and all you have to do is add the juice. You can use whatever juice that you want to use, but what I highly suggest is that whatever fruit juice that you decide to use, make sure it's the no sugar added, that it just has all natural sugar, no added sugar. So you just need to blend it up for 60 seconds until the contents are nice and smooth and creamy, and pour into your glass and serve. Now you can use this, you can put this into a bowl, and then you can put granola and Cool Whip on top. You can do whatever you like. So this is saying that it has the yogurt, but I don't see a package of yogurt in here. But I guess when we get to the bottom of the bag, we'll just have to see where that yogurt is, unless they have the yogurt coated onto the fruit. I'm not sure. So here's what we're going to do. I have this little blender here that my son bought me let me make sure that it's locked. My son got me this for Christmas, and I'm so excited to use it. So you're just going to pour your contents in just like this, okay? It looks like the yogurt. Let's see. See how it says with non-fat yogurt? It looks like the yogurt might be frozen onto the fruit. I'm not quite sure, but I guess we'll see. Because right here in the ingredients, it says non-fat yogurt. Okay? So let's go ahead and try one of these and see how it goes. I'm so excited to do this. So we're going to put 1 cup sugar-free apple juice. Feel free to use any juice that you like. I'm going to drink one. Dakota's going to drink one. My husband's going to have one. And since I love Mandarin oranges so much, I absolutely love them, I'm going to put a few in there, okay, to give myself an extra boost of vitamin C. Oh, absolutely. Why not, right? So when I opened the package, guys, I was actually eating these frozen mangoes, and they are so delicious. You hear me? I never thought of, I never thought of eating them frozen. but they are delicious. Let's go ahead and pour. Let's make sure I have 8 ounces here. And I have 8 ounces. Let's pour that in there just like so. Honestly, if I had a banana, I would put that banana in there. Yes, I would. And I would blend it up to give myself some more potassium. And honestly, I'm not a fan of bananas. That's a fruit that I rarely eat. But I'm sure I could put it in here, and the taste of the banana would actually be masked by this beautiful fruit, and I would enjoy it. Let's go ahead and blend this up, and I might put the video on pause while I turn this on so you don't have to hear the loud noise. Okay, I'm just going to pause it a few times. If I feel like it's a little too loud, I'll put the video on pause. Okay? Just take your time and pause it. Just like so. And it should be nice and creamy and beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Boy, am I excited. You hear me? You want something nice and fresh? Make you a smoothie every once in a while. It doesn't always, when you have some type of dessert or if you have a sweet tooth, it doesn't always have to be something like chocolate chip cookies or ice cream, okay? You can make a beautiful smoothie and enjoy yourself and even fulfill that sweet tooth that you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to keep pulsing. I'll bring this closer. And this mixer here is made by Hamilton Beach. Okay, I'm going to open this, and what I want to do is I want to take a spoon and I want to see if this is the exact consistency that I'm looking for, because I don't want to blend it up too much. I want it to be nice and thick with a little tiny bit of pieces in there. Okay, let me get a spoon if I can find one. Isn't that such a beautiful color? My God. Oh, it's nice and thick. Oh, and I can see nice, beautiful pieces going through there. Can you see that? I think I want those pieces a little bit smaller. And what I've done, let me show you. I have smoothie straws. You see how big? Hold on. You see? Hold on, guys. Let me just show you. See how big the straw is? This straw is specifically for a smoothie. That's why the hole is so much bigger than a regular straw. So let's go in and see. Let's take a taste of it. And if you wanted to, you could use some agave nectar. But honestly, you don't even need any sweetener. If you feel like you need a sweetener, just use a tad bit. Just a little tiny tad bit of honey or agave nectar. You could even use Splenda. Okay? Look at this. Let's give this a taste. This is almost the consistency of a nice, thick applesauce. Let's taste this. Taste right there, guys. Let me know what you think. My goodness. Let me see. Oh, my word. Oh. See? That right there? That's what makes me happy. You hear me? And I'm going to blend it a little bit more. And you're going to feel guilt-free. You won't feel heavy. You know what I mean? You won't feel upset that you broke your diet. All you're doing is drinking nice antioxidants, healthy, beautiful frozen fruit. And it's good for you. My goodness, what better way to be satisfied with that sweet tooth with a nice smoothie on a Sunday evening. Let's blend this a little bit more, guys. I'm just going to pulse it. Get rid of a little bit of those bits that's in there. And you know what? Here's what I do have. I'm going to go ahead and do it, guys. I have a little bit of avocado. Okay? I have some avocado here. I'm going to cut me a piece. Just a little piece is all I'm going to need. Because if you're looking for that healthy boost, and I'm just going to scoop some out, okay? If you're looking for a nice healthy boost tonight, nice healthy vitamins, get you some. Get you some. Hey, and a lot of people, they'll put spinach. You know? They'll put Like I said, you could put banana. Here's about how much of this avocado I'm going to put in. Look at that beautiful avocado. Put that right in there, okay? It's not going to taste like avocado, but you're going to definitely get those health benefits. Here's the thing. If some of you might say, ooh, Gina, but I don't want the avocado. Here's the thing. You don't have to. You don't have to. You put what you like in here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blend this up a little bit more. I'm going to push it a little bit harder. It's going to be a little bit louder because I want to blend up that beautiful avocado. All right, let's see. Let's taste it. My goodness, am I excited. Let's have something healthy tonight, guys. Uh-oh, I'm spilling it. Taste that, guys. It's so good. My goodness, is it good. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this and we're going to pour this right into our beautiful glass that we're here. And make sure you take the time to pick out the perfect glass for yourself. Make it beautiful. I eat with my eyes. I like for everything to be nice and beautiful. I really do. Look at this. Look how nice and thick. Let's see. Let me grab that spoon again so you guys can see this. I like for it to be nice and thick. Taste that, guys. Let me know what you think. When you taste that mango, that fresh strawberry, that peach with that non-fat yogurt, and then you get the hint of the Mandarin oranges and that sugar-free apple juice. This right here is the best, and it really cleanses your palate. Let me see. This right here, hey, let me tell you, this right here is a winner for sure. You hear me? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let me put a little slit on there so it stays on. Look at that. I put just a little slit just to make it nice and beautiful. Look at this. Let's sip. Let's sip it. Guys, I am in love. You hear me? This right here, this can be your go-to when you get a sweet tooth, when you want something healthy that's going to cleanse your palate. My goodness, taste another. Oh yeah, I really am enjoying this. This right here, hey, if you never had this before, you better make you some. Boy, oh boy, and it's so cool, nice and cool and refreshing. That's what I was looking for, and I'm so happy that I found just what I was looking for. Nothing that's unhealthy, yet it tastes so good, and it's giving me that sweet taste that I was looking for. Hey, if you all enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload one of these awesome recipes. Absolutely. And as always, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you all for watching. Have a great night. Hey, treat yourself. Make you a nice, healthy smoothie. Good night.